Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. Sorry friends, I was little busy. My school started and my work also started, so I'm little busy for the new academic year. So I thought I'll do it today. Today is Sunday, I'm free. I thought I'll do it. And you all are not giving me any suggestions what readings I should do. You are not commenting also. So I was struggling to do a reading. I am not getting any topic because repeatedly I am doing the same topics. So please, I request you all to post your ideas, okay, video ideas, so that I can do. I don't have any 1,000 subscribers so that I can post in community page. I don't have community page, so here only I'm requesting you all so that you can post it in the comment box that whatever you want, like whatever reading you want next, you can post it, so that I no need to think so much, because I'm thinking about this from yesterday evening, and I didn't get any ideas for videos, okay. So finally I chose the one reading idea, that is what is their karma for hurting you. Okay, so today's reading topic is what is their karma for hurting you. Okay, so this can be anybody, like this can be your friend or lover or crush or husband, wife, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, whoever it is, okay, relatives, then whatever it is, whoever is that person. So what is their karma for hurting you? They your colleague, anybody, okay, anybody, whoever is there in your mind, and you think that they hurted you a lot and you cried because of them. So this is about them, okay. So we will see what is, because you are innocent, whoever is my viewer, you are innocent, and you have not done anything, and unnecessarily they have troubled you or hurted you, and sometimes you must be cursing God also, why God is doing with me, why me, okay. So like that, so let us see. I mean, karma will be karma is a boomerang, as you know. Whatever you give it, it will come back to us. Similarly, whatever the other person has done to you, so definitely they must be facing the same, right? So we will see what is their karma for hurting you. Okay, so before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly motivating me and patiently waiting for my readings, and welcome to new subscribers. I request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel. The more likes I get, it will be promoted, or it will be shared with another people, okay. It is done by YouTube. So if you like more, then it will be shared with other people also. So I'm not saying that you should like, okay. If you like, then only you can hit the like button. There is no force, there is no compulsion. There are many channels in YouTube. You can choose any channel, you can see any video, okay. So this is just a request for my all YouTube family, because I think you all are my family, and I know that you are my well wishers and you always think good about me. Thank you so much, okay. Then we will start the reading. Okay, so please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, without wasting much time, let's start the reading. Pile 1, this seashell. This is closed seashell. Okay, so pile 2, this type of seashell. You can choose anything, whichever you are intuitively connected with. You can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video and you can choose the pile. Okay, let's start. Whoever chose this seashell, this reading is for you. What is their karma for hurting you? Let's see. What is their karma for hurting you? What is their karma for hurting you? What is their karma for hurting you? One card is reversed. Okay. What is their karma for hurting you? What is their karma for hurting you? Okay. Okay, we got two cards here. Not two, actually, three cards. Okay. So Ace of Wands, then Five of Pentacles, the Devil, and Justice. Okay. Hope you can see the cards, or let me move little bit. Okay, so these are all the cards we have here. So whoever is this person, okay, so they have something to do with their passion or their career oriented. I can see that they have some goal in their life. They want to achieve something, whoever hurted you. Okay, so that definitely god or universe, they are not giving them back, or not allowing them to achieve their goals. Maybe for some of you, they lost their job. I can see many of you, after immediately after hurting you, or after some time, maybe they lost their job, and whatever they have the goals, they were not able to achieve because of this losing job. They had lot of emotional turmoil. I can see with the Five of Pentacles, they have ill health also. They are wounded, they are hurt, they have ill health, and they are not able to focus or concentrate on anything, because the Wands is kind of a fiery energy. Maybe they are having some fights with their family or something like that. So they want to start a new relationship. Maybe because of that they left you. If you are asking about any lover or crush, maybe because of another person they left you. They wanted to start a new beginning with another fiery new beginning with another person. That is the reason they left you, and they insulted you, they ignored you, they rejected you. Okay, so that is the reason you were like crying and asking God, why it happened to me. And you are also saying, why me, always why things are happening to me only. I did not do anything. I have not compelled this person, or I did not go to this person. They only came to me, they only proposed, they only were very close to me. Then suddenly they are behaving like this. Why? Okay, so definitely after whatever this incident happened, they fell apart. Like whatever the relationship they are expecting, they also got the same thing back, like rejection from the other person. And they have health issues. Clearly I can see that they have some health issues. They were really tired, and they are waiting for the recovery. They are in a healing period right now, and definitely they have some kind of addictions in their life, and they are not able to get rid of those addictions. Okay, that might be sex, or maybe the drugs, or whatever it is. Addiction can be anything. So they are trying to get rid of that, and they are completely stuck in that addiction. They want to definitely come back, and they are like they feel that they are not able to. They are chained to that addiction, and they are into a dark energy, and they need help actually. They are crying for help, and they need help. They're not only talking to you, they're not talking to anybody else. That's what I can see. And definitely you got the justice, I can see here, because you first and last card says that you got the justice, and you are not able to, you are able to do the new beginning with somebody else or something else. Maybe you started new job or business, or you met somebody new, and you started moving on. Okay, so you cried for some time, you sobbed a lot, and you left everything to God. Okay, God only will take care, because I can't do anything to this person. Let God only decide. Okay, so God, that's what God is saying, that you got the justice. And if not, if you didn't get the justice now, definitely you will get it soon. If any friend or any family member hurted you, definitely they got the karma back, and they are not feeling well. They have some health issues definitely. And for some of you, they lost the job also, and definitely you got the justice. Okay, whatever they insulted you, you overcome that and started something new. It can be career, job, or your relationship with another person. You have succeeded in your goal, okay, reaching your goal. So that is what the karma they got and blessings that you got. Okay, one more card we will take as a guidance card. One more guidance card from universe. What is the guidance card, spirit? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the guidance card for my viewers? Okay, temperance. Okay, temperance means this is imbalanced card. So universe is saying that even though you tried your best, it was imbalanced. So God is saying that whatever is not meant for you, don't cry for you or pray for that. Okay, whatever is not meant for you, don't think and dream of that person or a thing, whatever it is. You need balance in your life first, then only you can think about any other things to achieve or any other person to achieve. So first you need balance in your life, then only you can think about other things. So universe is saying first try to balance in your life and in your mental ability. Maybe you should do some meditation or some spiritual things. Okay, then slowly you will get the stable mentality or mindset so that you can uh, take a good decision or right decision. So that is what universe is saying. That's all I have for you, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this seashell, this reading is for you. What is their karma for hurting you? It can be anybody, okay? So it can be your friend, lover, crush, relatives, in-laws, anybody, okay? So it can be anybody. What is their karma for hurting you? It is a one person you can think of, and this reading will resonate. Spirits and universe, please guide us. Okay, this is Four of Cups, Temperance, Knight of Swords, and bottom of the deck it is Seven of Pentacles. Okay, hope you can see the cards. Yes. Okay. So this person, whoever you are thinking about, this person might be a man. Okay. Definitely, I can see that this person is like your lover or a crush. Okay, or girlfriend, boyfriend, anybody. So this person is definitely money minded, I can say. They chose money over this connection. Okay, so even though you offered them the your cup of love, they chose somebody else, or they were thinking about other people. And for some of you, they cheated on you, or they were roaming around with another other people. So they ignored you, but the same thing they got it back. Okay, whoever they are patiently waiting for, or they are admiring a person in their life. Okay, they left you because of another person. Okay, so they were stalking them, they were stalking in social media, they were behind the other person. So that person rejected them. So now they are in a very very sad situation, and also their life is imbalanced. Okay, so they are like they don't know what to do, because the other person rejected them, and they are like simply sitting and crying over the other person, but they are not realizing what they have done for you, what they have done to you. They are not realizing that. And also they have this imbalanced situation in their life. It can be regarding money, or regarding love life, or regarding the career. Okay, something is not balanced in their life. So they are like they are facing the lot of emotional turmoil. They are having the pain, sadness, and they are not able to come out of that. They are simply isolating themselves from everybody else, and sorry, they are simply thinking why it happened to me, why they did to you, at the same time they got it back, but they are not able to take it. So they are simply patiently waiting, and maybe the other person will come back. Okay, so they are in a waiting energy, but definitely they got the rejection, they got the humiliation in their love life. Okay, or they have this opportunity they got in their life. Okay, maybe that is a job offer, and they kept lot of hopes on that job offer, and they lost it last minute. It went to somebody else, that position or a post. Maybe they are expecting a higher post, but they didn't come to their hand. Okay, they lost it. Actually, it went to somebody else. So that is the reason this person is very very angry and ferocious. They want to move out of the place wherever they are right now, and they want to move out, and this maybe they already moved out of the place, maybe relocated to some other place, but that decision was wrong because they did it in a haste, or they did it in an impulse, and now they are regretting, I mean repenting, because their life is completely imbalanced. Okay, they were in a anger mode or impulsive decision they have taken in their life. They have relocated or they left somebody, and now they are regretting. Okay, it is a fast moving energy. Knight of Swords means it is kind of a fight actually. So they went on a fight with someone else. They went in an impulsive mode, or they have relocated for some of you. So they are regretting for about that decision, because their life completely went upside down and imbalanced. So definitely they are thinking about that. That's how they got the karma, their karma, because whatever they have done to you, they got it back. That's all universe want to say. So let's see one advice card or guidance card. Let's see one advice card or guidance card for my viewers, whoever chose this seashell. What is your advice card or guidance card, Spirit? Okay, the Fool. So universe is saying that don't be stuck in your position. Take risk, move ahead, take a step ahead. So don't keep on thinking that you this person left me, what should I do, and like that. You don't limit yourself. Okay, so you have to step ahead, you have to move on, you have to take a risk, you have to take a leap of faith. Maybe you got some offer, job offer, business offer, or love offer. So you might be thinking that whether I should take it or not. So universe is saying that leave this person aside and move ahead on your life, move on in your life. Don't wait for this person to come back, or this person to apologize to you. Just move on with your life, like be be like this fool, like adventurous, or take a risk or leap of faith. Everything you leave upon the God blindly. You take the decision. Okay, God will take care of everything. Be like a fool. Okay, so don't think too much, and or don't wait for this person to come back to you. Okay, that's what I have to say. Then if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications. Until next reading, bye.